Pincha Mayurasana, it's all about the shoulders. Come to a hands and knees position, and then to get the shoulders set up, bring your elbows down, taking them to a slight V shape. That'll lock the flesh of your forearms in. Round your upper back and lean forward, keeping weight in the shoulders. Inhale, keep the hips up, walk in, walk in, walk in. Then lift one leg up, don't go beyond the vertical line, and then pitch the shoulders forward and inhale, catch a little hang time. Exhale down, don't overdo it. Inhale, little hang time. Exhale down. One more time. Pitch the shoulders forward and inhale. Bend your right knee into your chest. Only if you maintain the balance here. Find the vertical line by bringing the legs in and up towards each other, stabilizing the shoulders. Come down the same way, bringing one knee into your chest, gently all the way down. If you feel your elbows winging out to the side, find the strength and stability in the muscles of your shoulder girdle and avoid kicking too far forward. Go nice and slow and it'll come.